Want to design a professional 30th anniversary logo in just minutes? In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a stunning logo in Canva, fast and easy.
CANVOO.
The logo we are going to create is a special request from @afifefendi4801. To create it, first go to the text menu. Select Add a Heading. Type the number 3. Enlarge the size, then change the font to Faro. Then uncheck the bold box to make the font slimmer. Next, change the color to dark turquoise. Now, add the number 0 to make the number 30. For the 0, change the color to orange. The next step is to place the 0 like this. Now, to create an interlocking effect on both, here's how. First, copy the number 3. Then, open a new canvas and paste it here. Next, download this second canvas. Then, upload it here. Once it's uploaded, insert it into the main canvas. Enlarge it until it fits the design canvas. Next, click the Remove Background button to make it transparent. The next step is to reduce the sides that are not needed. For the top side, we need to drag it down like this. Okay, next, go to Position. Set the cut number 3 layer to the top. And now we have successfully created our main logo. Looks cool, right? This interlocking effect really makes the logo stand out. Group these 3 elements and move them to the left side. Next, add the logo text and icons needed according to the logo theme. This logo was created to commemorate the school's 30th anniversary with the theme of integrity, sustainability, and achievement. So the next step is to add the event theme text. Adding this theme text gives meaning to the logo. It's not just design, but also identity. We will align the text to the right like this. Then reduce the size. Next, change the font type to Faro as well. After that, add the text TH. To give a warm and elegant impression, change the font to handwriting like this. Position and change the color as shown in the example. Next, add the sustainability element like this. Also add the excellence element to the logo. Adjust the size and placement as proportionally as possible. Now, let's change the color as shown in the example, or freely according to your preferences. And this is the final result. Now you have a professional 30th anniversary logo ready to use for your event. That's it. You've just created a 30th anniversary logo in Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.